Hi everyone, this is Alan here and welcome to my YouTube channel at World Class Knowledge for Alan. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you 50 most common English proverbs that may help to improve your English language skills and help to build your vocabulary. So let's get started. Proverbs, also known as sayings. Proverbs give some form of life advice. Every language and culture has them, and many proverbs exist in more than one language. It is more important not to miss any of the word in most proverbs because the meaning can be lost if even one word is changed or left out. Here are some of the examples of common used proverbs. So let's start reading. The first one is absence makes the heart grow fonder. It means being away from someone or something for a period of time make you appreciate that person more when you see them again. The second one is action speaks louder than words. It means what you do is more important than what you say. The third one is a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. It means you must begin something if you hope to finish it. Something that takes a long time to finish, begin with single step. For example, if you want to lose weight, you need to stop eating junk and you need to start exercising. Today, not tomorrow. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. The next one is all good things must come to an end. It means everything ends. Good times don't last forever. A picture is worth 1,000 words. It means an image can tell a story better than words. A washed pot never boils. It means if something takes time to do, it doesn't help to constantly check on it. You just have to give it time. Beggars can't be choosers. It means if you are in a bad situation and someone offers to help you, you have to take whatever they give you and shouldn't ask for more. The next one is beauty is in the eye of beholder. It means what is beautiful is different from each person. The next one is better late than ever. Better late than never. It's better to finish something late than to never to do it all. The next one is birds of a feather flock together. It means people who are similar spend time together. Cleanliness is next to godliness. It means it's good to be clean. God is clean and you should be too. Don't bite the hands that feed you. It means don't make someone angry or hurt someone who is helping you or paying for you. Don't count your chicken before they hatch. It means don't expect a positive result before you actually see it. The next one is don't judge a book by its cover. It means don't judge someone or something by appearance alone. The next one is don't pull all of your eggs in one basket. It means don't put all of your hopes and resources into one goal or dream. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. It means if you can do something today, do it. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't procrastinate. Don't put too many irons in the fire. Don't try to do many things at the same time. Focus on one thing at a time. Easy come and easy go. It means when you make money quickly, it's very easy to lose it as quickly as well. Fortune favors the bold. It means people who are brave and who take risks are more successful than people who do things safely all the time. God helps those who help themselves. It means don't just wait for good things to happen to you. Work hard to make them happen. The next one is Good things come to those who wait. It means if you are patient, good things can happen. Good things come to those who wait. Honesty is the best policy. It means it's always better to tell the truth than to lie. The next one is hope for the best, prepare for the worst. It means in any situation be optimistic about the result, but always be ready for the worst outcome. If it aren't broke, don't fix it. If someone is already working well, don't try to change it or improve it. If you can't be M, join M. If you can't change someone's behavior or opinion, sometimes it's better or easier to do what they want to. The next one is if you play with fire, you will get burned. It means if you get involved in something dangerous or beyond your abilities, you will probably experience negative consequences. The next one is if you want something done right, you have to do it by yourself. Don't depend on someone else to do a good job. Do it yourself. The next one is keep your friends close and your enemies closer. If someone is your enemy, treat them like a friend so you can be ready if they ever try to betray you. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the more powerful you can be in different areas of your life. Laughter is the best medicine. It means when you are in a difficult situation, laughing can make it easier to get through that in situation. Like father, like son. It means sad. When a son is similar to his father, also like mother, like the daughter. No man is an island. It means no one is truly capable of living alone. We need human connections to be healthy. According to this proverb, no man is an island. You can't just abandon your friends and family because no man is an island. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones. It means don't criticize someone if you are not perfect either. Don't be a hypocrite. For example, why are you always bothering her about her addicted to her phone? You have been smoking for 20 years and haven't been able to give it up. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones. Practice makes perfect. The more you do something, the better you will become at all. For example, don't give up on learning the violin. Practice makes perfect. The early birds get the worm. It means people who wake up early or who get to places early have a better chances of success. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. It means if someone whom I don't like doesn't like someone else whom I don't like, we can act like friends and until against the other person common in war. It's a common war. For example, I don't like you, you don't like me, but I think we can agree that we both hate Daniel. Let's work together and get him fired. The enemy of my enemy is my friend, right? The grass is always greener on the other side. It means people always want what they don't have. The pen is mightier than sword. It means if you're trying to convince someone of something, words and ideas are stronger than using physical force. It's common in politics. They use words than swords. There is no place like home. It means your home is the most comfortable place in the world. There is no such thing as a free lunch. Nothing is free. Even the things that are free have a hidden cost. There is no time like the present. It means don't wait to do something. Do it now. For example, why don't you stop talking about needing to call your mom? Just call her. There is no time like the present. The next proverb is The squeaky wheel gets the grease. It means the person who complains in a situation is more likely to do something. Time is money. It means don't waste your precious time or other people's time. Also, if you can use your time to make money in some way, you should do that. Hurry up, time is money. Two heads are better than one. It means two people can make the things better than one person. Two wrongs don't make a right. It means trying to get revenge on someone who has hurt you will only make things worse. For example, I know she made you angry, but did you have to steal her phone? Two wrongs don't make right. When in Rome, do as Romans do. It means when you are in a new place or situation, try to act like the majority of people in that place or situation. The next one is when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. This is my most favorite proverb. It means when a situation becomes difficult, strong people don't give up, they work harder. The next one is where there is smoke, there is a fire. It means if something seems wrong, it probably is. Also, there is actually truth behind a rumor. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink it. It means you can try to help someone by giving him good advice, but you can't force them to accept it or follow it. And the last one is you can't always get what you want. It means don't complain if you don't get what you want. For example, the person A said, I really wanted to see that movie, but I didn't have enough money last week. The person B replied, it happens, you can't always get what you want. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps, then do share it with your friends and others. Thank you.